as busy as. Next, my mother is as busy as a bee. My mother is as busy as a bee. मेरी माँ मधुमक्खी जितनी व्यस्त हैं. मेरी माँ मधुमक्खी जितनी व्यस्त हैं. Next word, as quiet as. The baby is as quiet as a mouse. The baby is as quiet as a mouse. बच्चा चूहे जितना शांत है. बच्चा चूहे जितना शांत है. Next word, as soft as. As soft as. This blanket is as soft as cotton. This blanket is as soft as cotton. यह कंबल रुई जितना मुलायम है. यह कंबल रुई जितना मुलायम है. Next word, as hot as. As hot as. This table is as hard as stone. This table is as hard as stone. यह मेज पत्थर जितनी सख्त है. यह मेज पत्थर जितनी सख्त है. As bright as. As bright as. The moon is as bright as a lamp. The moon is as bright as a lamp. चाँद दीपक जितना चमकीला है. चाँद दीपक जितना चमकीला है. As sweet as. As sweet as. The mango is as sweet as honey. आम शहद जितना मीठा है. आम शहद जितना मीठा है. Next word, as cold as. As cold as. The water is as cold as ice. The water is as cold as ice. पानी बर्फ जितना ठंडा है. पानी बर्फ जितना ठंडा है. As hot as. As hot as. This tea is as hot as fire. This tea is as hot as fire. यह चाय आग जितनी गर्म है. यह चाय आग जितनी गर्म है. As tall as. As tall as. My brother is as tall as my father. My brother is as tall as my father. मेरा भाई मेरे पिता जितना लंबा है. मेरा भाई मेरे पिता जितना लंबा है. Next word, as short as. As short as. This stick is as short as my arm. This stick is as short as my arm. यह डंडी मेरी बाँह जितनी छोटी है. यह डंडी मेरी बाँह जितनी छोटी है. As fast as. As fast as. He runs as fast as the wind. He runs as fast as the wind. हवा जितना तेज दौड़ता है. वह हवा जितना तेज दौड़ता है. As slow as. As slow as. The old bus is as slow as a turtle. The old bus is as slow as a turtle. पुरानी बस कछुए जितनी धीमी है. पुरानी बस कछुए जितनी धीमी है. Next word, as clean as. As clean as. Sentence, your room is as clean as a hospital. Your room is as clean as a hospital. तुम्हारा कमरा अस्पताल जितना साफ है. तुम्हारा कमरा अस्पताल जितना साफ है. As light as. As light as. This bag is as light as a feather. This bag is as light as a feather. यह बैग पंख जितना हल्का है. यह बैग पंख जितना हल्का है. Next word, as heavy as. As heavy as. Sentence. This box is as heavy as a rock. This box is as heavy as a rock. यह डिब्बा चट्टान जितना भारी है. यह डब्बा चट्टान जितना भारी है. As beautiful as. As beautiful as. She is beautiful as a flower. She is as beautiful as a flower. वह फूल जितनी सुंदर है. वह फूल जितनी सुंदर है. नेक्स्ट वर्ड. As clever as. As clever as. Riya is as clever as her teacher. Riya is as clever as her teacher. रिया अपनी अध्यापिका जितनी चतुर है. रिया अपनी अध्यापिका जितनी चतुर है. As brave as. As brave as. Sentence. The soldier is as brave as a lion. The soldier is as brave as a lion. सैनिक शेर जितना बहादुर है. सैनिक शेर जितना बहादुर है. As happy as. As happy as. The children are as happy as birds. बच्ची बच्चियों जितने खुश हैं. The children are as happy as birds. बच्चे बच्चियों जितने खुश हैं. नेक्स्ट वर्ड. As calm as. As calm as. He is as calm as the sea. He is as calm as the sea. वह समुद्र जितना शांत है. वह समुद्र जितना शांत है. As fresh as. As fresh as. The flowers are as fresh as the morning. The flowers are as fresh as the morning. का फूल सुबह जितने ताज़ा हैं. फूल सुबह जितने ताज़ा हैं. नेक्स्ट. As clear as. As clear as. Her English is as clear as water. Her English is as clear as water. उसकी अंग्रेजी पानी जितनी साफ है. उसकी अंग्रेजी पानी जितनी साफ है. As colorful as. As colorful as. The garden is as colorful as a rainbow. The garden is as colorful as a rainbow. बगीचा इंद्रधनुष जितना रंगीन है. बगीचा इंद्रधनुष जितना रंगीन है.